Everybody, and welcome to this video. In this video we will show you how we integrate WordPress LTI with LTI 1.3 or LTI Advantage. To do that you have to go to our GitHub and then download the project. Basically the steps are very easy. You will need a WordPress. We tested in WordPress 4.9 and the last version we have right now, the 5.02. Then we suggest to create a multi-site. Okay, basically here you can download the WordPress, install it, following the easy steps to do that. Then we suggest to create a multi-site. Multi-site, it's allowed to create more than one WordPress in the single WordPress installation, and we do that because we want to have one site for each course. For instance, we have the course 1, then we will have the site 1 related with this instance, and we don't mix the users using the same WordPress. But up to you, you can select if you want only one instance or multi-site. Following the multi-site instance, you will have to download the code and add this code in must use plugins, as we see here. Basically, we have this kind of structure. Basically, the features of this plugin creates do a single sign-on, enable the membership role services, and manage and you can enable the grades management as well. You will show later on in a demo. Then when we go here like a super administrator, remember this is a multi-site. We can go here to the dashboard, and under options you will find LTI clients. Right now we have some LTI clients. We'll delete some of them. Okay, we'll leave only one. Basically the data you have to provide is the client ID. Right now I go to the demo site from AMS. Here we have the WordPress. This is the endpoint. Okay, when you go here, you have to indicate the name, the client. It's the client ID, related client ID. I will edit that. The URL that provides the service will show here in the courses. Okay, we have the tooltip, the auth access to the access tokens. Okay, and as well let me check it because this is not okay. We put here, it's testing to do that, to change that, and this is the public key we generated before for that. And as well we can select which role we have the student. If we want to allow them to create posts, we can add the author. We add this information here, and we suggest as well to review this page with the roles and the capabilities for each role. Okay, the author. Okay, this is basically the subscriber that what can do. They can do comments, add comments, and the author can create posts and add images as well. Okay, come back here to create the platform public and private key. We suggest to use terminal commands. You can find some information on the internet about that, but to create the tools public key, we have here, we have the public key. We can copy, but as well we can go and edit and generate a new public key, private and public key. But the public key is shown here, but the private key is stored in our WordPress in a secure area. Then when we access here, we can do a demo. Go into reference tool, our reference course tool, we have some courses. Right now we have only one course. We create another one later on. Line items, we don't have any line items, but we will review that. And we have the resource links. We have one resource link for teachers and the other is for students. Here we have some students. We access here a student. My student, the name of course, the ID of course is 89, and it's important because you will see right now the new site created with 89. And my username is Dr. Gita Luevich, more or less. Access here, and the first time when the user access creates the site, as I say before, it's 89 right now. And here, because it's marked I am an author in this WordPress, I can create my own post. I can add here a new post. This is my new post, and publish that. Okay, then if I go and access as teacher, I will go here. I'll launch with a new user. This new user, it's Bogman. Perform the launch. Right now I have other options. I can see all the posts and I can go to LTI grades management. Here we'll find all the users in the system. We have these students, and I can see the posts of these students. It has this my new post, and we have the first post that was created in the first time the user access here. If there are any comments, I can see the comments, but the important thing here, I can add the grade. This is excellent, for instance. Save it. Okay. Then when I come back here to the tool, let me check if here. Okay, I have the platform. Right now, when I access to the course, I can see there is one line item, score, maximum score is 100, is the name of the score, and I can access here as well to see which are the results. The results show it here. We have the 83 with the comment we added here. As well, the teacher can perform, sorry, because I log it out. I can resynchronize the users. Synchronize it right now. If there are, for instance, right now we have 17 students. Go here, and go to the resource links and say user to launch, but I didn't launch with this user. If I come back here, I can see this user, but if I sync again, I have 18 elements, and I can see this is Stuart, but doesn't do anything right now. But we can do, add, for instance, a post. As we said, this author, he can only manage his own post. They can edit the other one. I can add a new post to our post, save it, for instance, publish right now. And as well, I can come back here and add some comments. Great, for instance. Then when I come back and access as a teacher, let me check one teacher, student, yes, Freda, this is here, it's teacher, and as teacher, I can come back here, go to LTI grades, and right now, Stuart has one post and one comment. I can see the comment here and show it in the post. Okay. And basically this is how it works. I hope you can use that, and you have any issue, remember you can add the issue here. And the next steps, we want to certificate that plugin, and as well to add the OpenIM SSL instead of the current one. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.